getting to fly a World War II trainer.
Flight controls.
And Isabella getting a ride as well.
We gotta stay high because we're gonna drop so fast, you know. Get slow, then we're just gonna do full aileron or full rudder. Opposite aileron, and we're dropping.
Isabella and I got the opportunity to attend the 2020 ACCAs at Stearman Field. We met lots of intriguing pilots who took us on flights in their unique airplanes.
Okay, you got the flight controls. Flight controls.
Man, is that electric? That's quiet. I like that.
What's it like out there, Corey?
It is bumpy.
Hot and bumpy, huh?
Hey, so this is Austin.
What's up?
So what do we got here?
We got PT-17 Stearman.
Wow.
Yep.
And how old are you?
I'm 17.
17. Man, this guy flies this thing amazing. He's doing a wheelie on landing. Okay, thanks, Austin.
See ya.
This is Isabella going on the Stearman.
From?
Miami, Florida.
No way, cool. Do you hear me?
Hi.
I got you 5x5. Alright, and all the pressures are in the green. Ready?
Ready, sir? Woo!
Oh yeah. Now this is nice. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I live here. My parents own the airport.
Okay, so you get to do this like every day?
Yep, every morning and night. You're ready, turn your camera around, I'm gonna do smoke. So how long you been flying the Stearman for? Probably 6 months. We just got it. That's awesome. You already opened the phone. Alright, so look behind us and with your phone. I'm gonna do some smoke. Good. Do you want to fly?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Alright, your controls. My controls. It's a very, very gentle airplane. The controls are weighted.
Yeah. That's so cool. Yeah.
Make a turn back to the airport, a right turn back to the airport.
Affirmative.
And Stearman traffic on 2 mile right base, 17 Stearman after grass. Okay, you got the flight controls. Flight controls.
like landing?
Oh yeah, I want to see how it feels to slip it in.
Alright, I'll do a really good slip then. We gotta stay high because we're gonna drop so fast, you know? Get slow, then we're just gonna do full aileron, or full rudder. Opposite aileron. And we're dropping. Straight now because we're dropping a little too fast, getting a little bit of airspeed. And I just like to keep it sideways flying down the runway because it's just kind of badass. And I can see, and we're on the ground. Hey, look at that, one tire.
That was so sick, oh my god. Woo!
Fly like a fighter pilot.
Absolutely. That thing flies nice.
It's very gentle. The controls are weighted. The ailerons and everything's weighted, so it's very light.
Yeah, this is my first time flying with a stick.
Yeah. And Stearman trailer, Boeing 41 to right base of final 17 on the grass.
And here comes the slip.
I sure like that slip.
Yeah, I love the slip. I mean, it looks like you're coming down from pattern altitude from like 100 feet and just landing in the spot. Wow.
There's one tire, brother.
Holy crap, full right aileron.
Yeah. How to get that one tire in.
Amazing. Amazing.
I'm Stearman traffic, Boeing 41 back taxi 17 Stearman. So what kind of airplane do you fly?
I fly 172 RG, and Warrior at the moment.
Cool.
Sure he is. There's Deb sticking it in. Swoop. Man, is that electric? That's quiet. I like that.
He did.
You like that?
That was amazing. That was awesome.